Hello and welcome to Grand Velas Riviera Maya. I'm excited to be here. I'm doing room tours and getting lots of video. And I'm here at the Ambassador Suite, which is a great option for families because you're surrounded by the family pool. And I wanted to get a video of this gorgeous room category. It's really modern and fresh. It feels really good. So we can take a look around here. We've got a king bed, or you can have double beds. So again, this is the Ambassador Suite. This one is on the ground level, which actually many families love because the family pool is right outside the door here. So it's great when you have your kids with you. If they need to go to the bathroom, you need to grab something, it's so convenient. So again, this is Ambassador Suite, and what I wanted to show you is that these rooms connect, and you can have them connecting where it's guaranteed. It then becomes the family suite. So when you are working with us, if you have a large family, and these rooms, the family suites, will hold up to 8 people. So again, if you have a large family, this is great. Connecting room. It's going to be the same layout as the other Ambassador Suite, but you see the beds are not facing the slider door, but this is great for families. You have the 2 double beds here, connects with the king. So a wonderful option, either family suite where it's guaranteed connecting, or you can just do the Ambassador Suite, which would not connect. So I'm going to visit many more rooms here at Grand Velas Riviera Maya. Excited to show you everything.